Hey, how are you? It's Mark with the Northern Arizona Real Estate Channel, and I am standing on the corner in Clarkdale, Arizona. Yeah, you were thinking I was going to say the other one. Yeah, I'm not standing in Winslow right now. I am in Clarkdale, and I am at the Clarkdale Auto Show right now. This is a event that happens every year, second Saturday, I believe, of March every year. It's been going on for about 15, 16 years. About 150 cars show up here. If you have got a car, you do have to register them, and you pay a little fee, and it all goes to benefit Clarkdale and community projects, which is really, really cool. Dave Andrews, I believe, was the guy who started this whole thing, and that's where we are today. And so with the Northern Arizona Real Estate Channel, what we hope to do is kind of bring you community tours, neighborhood tours, area tours. And when you move to an area, what's really cool about when you move to an area is you got to figure out what to do. And so this is one of those things you get to do if you live in Clarkdale. Just mosey on down the street. Clarkdale is really small, and just mosey on down the street and take it all in. So if you're a car guy, and I'm a car guy, I love cars. So yeah, this is one of the things to do, just to be in Clarkdale and hang out and meet some of the people and see some of the cool cars. So this is brought to you by myself and my wife Jackie Tate. We're with eXp Realty. If you need some help in Northern Arizona, we can help you. All the way to Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, Sedona, Williams, Cottonwood, Clarkdale, whatever it might be. So yeah, come along, let's take a look at the Clarkdale Auto Show. When I was in high school, we actually had one of these, and I would drive it around. And we had it for a year or two, and it was a lot of fun. Volkswagen thing.
The cabriolet, it had the convertible, but it had the windows and it had the...
I love that air cleaner, man. Oh yeah, trucks. I don't know what it is about these, 65, 66 Galaxies, but I always liked them. Ford Galaxy. Whenever I see a Camaro, especially a 69 Camaro, I think of my brother Patrick, who is no longer with us, but that is a 69 Restomod right there. That's an incredible car. Sitting next to either a 67 or 68. I believe it's a 68. So, hey Pat, I hope you're doing well. Well, that's the Clarkdale Car Show. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I want to introduce myself. I'm not on camera that much. I'm Mark Tate, but this channel is brought to you by myself and my wife, Jackie Tate. We're with eXp Realty. We actually just made that change. Oh, you can hear some rumble maybe here. Some cars are pulling in. We made that change about a month and a half ago. We're thrilled to be at eXp. We're realtors, so we can help you all the way to the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, Williams, Verde Valley. I'm in Clarkdale today, Cottonwood obviously, and the whole Rimrock area. So just let us know. We would appreciate it if you keep watching our videos and subscribe and hit the alert button so you can come along with us. We're just having a great time doing this channel. We think that it brings value because you can kind of see what's going on in these various areas. So thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate it, especially if you made it this far. But thank you so much. Yeah, here it is. The little car show in Clarkdale, Arizona. Yeah. We'll see you later. Have a great one. God bless.